Good morning, this is Kavita Kundra and we are on MSc DFSM Biochemistry on the last part, amino acid and nucleotide metabolism. Synthesis of orotic acid. From carbamyl phosphate and aspartate, carbamyl aspartate is formed by acids of aspartate transcarboxylase. The pyrimidine ring is then closed through the loss of molecule of water by dihydroorotate to form dihydroorotate. This is then oxidized by dihydroorotate dehydrogenase to produce orotic acid as shown. At that point, pyrimidine ring is synthesized and the orotic enzyme CPSII, aspartate transcarbamylase and dehydroorotate are all domains or regions of some polypeptide chain which facilitate the ordered synthesis of the compound. This is the protein is multi-enzyme complex. You can see the reaction down below. Now the formation of pyrimidine nucleotide. The first pyrimidine nucleotide as seen in the last step is orotic. Once the pyrimidine ring is synthesized, it is converted to nucleotide orotidine 5-monophosphate OMP, which involves the addition of ribose and phosphate. PRPP is the ribose 5-phosphate donor. The reaction is irreversible. OMP is not a pyrimidine present in nucleic acid. Hence, OMP is converted to AMP by orotidylate decarboxylase by moving acidic carboxylic group. Thus, UMP has uracil as pyrimidine base, deficiency of orotate, phosphoriboxyl transferase and orotidylate decarboxylase results in the accumulation of orotic acid which is excreted in the urine. This condition is called orotic acid. Synthesis of uridine triphosphate UTP and CTP. UMP is first phosphorylated using ATP to found UDP. A further phosphorylation by ATP forms UTP. The pyrimidine acetosine is next animated, that is oxygen atom at the position 4 is replaced by amino group obtained by glutamine. This convert uracil to cytosine forming CTP, cytidine triphosphate. CTP is produced by the animation of UTP catalyzed by the enzyme CTP synthetase. ATP provides energy for this step. Synthesis of deoxyribonucleotide from ribonucleotides. The nucleotides synthesized are all ribonucleotides which can be used as building blocks in RNA synthesis or as nucleotide carriers of other compounds like sugar. Example UTP glucose used in glycogen metabolism. The nucleotide requires for DNA synthesis are 2-deoxyribonucleotide. There is 2-deoxyribose where in second position of ribose sugar oxygen atom is absent, which are produced from ribonucleoside phosphate. The enzyme ribonucleotide reductase is specific for the reduction of nucleoside phosphate to deoxy form. Since oxygen is removed, it is reduction. Synthesis of TMP and TUMP. The fourth pyrimidine nucleotide commonly present with the nucleic acid is thymidine monophosphate TMP. TMP is present only in the DNA which has deoxyribose. So technically we can say it is DTMP. DUMP is converted to DTMP by thymidylate synthetase that utilize N5 and 10-methylene tetrahydrofolate as the source of methyl group. There, the pyrimidine base uracil is methylated at position 5. It becomes the base thymine 6-methyl THF transfers C unit but also 2 hydrogen atom results in oxidation of THF to dihydrofolate. Inhibitors of thymidylate synthetase including thymine analogues such as fluorouracil, which are anti-tumor agent. Dihydrofolate reductase, the enzyme that reduces DHF to THF, is inhibited in the presence of drugs such as methotrexate. By decreasing, it inhibits the supply of THF, and these folate analogues inhibit purine synthesis and prevent methylation of DUMP and DTMP. They lower the concentration of DUMP, which is essential component of DNA. DNA synthesis is inhibited and cell growth arrested and slowed down. So these drugs are used to decrease the growth rate of the cancer cell. Degradation of pyrimidine nucleotide. The pyrimidine ring can be opened and degraded to highly soluble structure as beta-alanine and beta-amino isobutyrate. They serve as precursor of acetyl coenzyme respectively. Salvage reaction of pyrimidine nucleotide. The pyrimidine, like the purine, can be salvaged and converted to nucleotide by enzyme pyrimidine phosphoribosyl transferase, wherein again it utilized PRPP as a source of ribose P. In addition, orotate phosphoribosyl transferase salvage orotic acid by converting it into OMP. Regulation of deoxyribonucleotide synthesis. Ribonucleotide reductase is responsible for maintaining a balanced supply of nucleotide required for DNA synthesis. The regulation of enzyme complex, in addition to single active site, there are 2 sites on the enzyme involved in regulating the activity as given below. Activity site, ATP combined with the site, and substrate specificity site is ATP and DATP. So that's it. This is finished. I hope you enjoyed the chapters, and please stay safe, stay protected, always wear mask and get your vaccination done, and please help others because everybody needs that help. And I want you to share and like and subscribe the channels, and also share with those who actually need it, because in this corona time we should help each other. And if you have any questions regarding IGNOU MSc DFSM chapters, please feel free to comment in the box so that we can answer you. Bye bye, take care.